Hi everybody, welcome back to Bridge Club. Today we're going to be doing some little crafts for Easter, so happy Easter for everyone. We're going to make some little bunnies, so I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So the first material you guys will be needing is some markers and a pencil. Honestly, it doesn't matter what color, whatever color you wish to use. Scissors. Please, if you can't use scissors, ask for an adult for help just to be safe. And some colorful construction paper. So very simple, very easy, and let's get on to the steps. So first you will need to pick whatever color paper you wish to use. I think I'm going to do blue. As you guys saw, I did pink, or this is an example of the pink one. So let's add it to the family. So first thing you need to do is trace your hand. So it doesn't have to be too dark, but just trace your hand. So you have an outline of your hand. So let's just fix this one. I made a bit of a mistake as I was doing it. And it's going to be different than mine because everyone's hands are a different shape. And then just like a little line to end the hand. This is where the scissors come. Like I said earlier, if you need help from an adult, please go ask. Don't hurt yourself, just be careful. So you're just gonna need to trace out the hand as close to the line as we drew. Just gonna cut this side off. And just kind of cut. Once you got your little hand cut out, just fix any ones that need help. Like this one needs some. Then I'm gonna need to cut this finger off, the middle one. So just be careful, make sure it's the middle one, and it just needs to just snip. Doesn't need to matter. See, that looks perfect. I'm just gonna fix this one quickly. This looks great. Now I need to just make a little indent right here, just like a straight line, and a straight line on the pinky finger. And this is where you fold. So you're just gonna fold this one. You're gonna fold this one. And now you can do your little outline for your hand. And if you did use pencil like I did, you can erase the little pencil lines. Up to you, decorate it as you wish. So I'm gonna use red, actually, yeah. And we're gonna do a little circle and shape that in. So you can decorate it as whatever you wish to decorate it. It doesn't have to be what I'm doing right here, but I'm just making the little face of it. It doesn't have to be perfect. So just continue on decorating it to what you wish. I'm gonna be adding the face. As you can see, we did on the pink one. So I'm just gonna get a little pencil and make the eyes. And the fun thing about art is everything's gonna be different. So yours is exactly not gonna look like mine. It may look better, it doesn't really matter. I'm gonna do a little nose. I'm gonna go little whiskers. You can outline this with black marker if you wish. And the little nose. And we're gonna do the little feet. Let's have some pencil ones here. We're just gonna make a little circle and do some little lines. I'm gonna get a black, oh, forgot to do it for this one. our little bunny, guys. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this, and happy Easter.